If you like using Nokia phones, and you like Nokia smartphones, then there is good news for you. Because Nokia is bringing a great smartphone for you, in which you will get to see many features. In this great smartphone, you will get a powerful battery backup of 7000 mAh, with 200 megapixel camera, that too at a very low price. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Play 2 Max 5G smartphone. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerful smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Play 2 Max 5G. If we talk about the features of this smartphone, then inside it you will get to see a 6.90-inch Super AMOLED display, with 2K resolution, which will come with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Apart from this, it will have in-display fingerprint sensor, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and IP69 rating. Camera setup. Talking about camera setup, you get to see a setup of 4 cameras at the back, whose primary camera is going to be 200 megapixels. Apart from this, it has been installed with 50 megapixel ultra-wide, 12 megapixel macro shooter, and 8 megapixel depth lens. Talking about the selfie camera, you can see a 50 megapixel front camera in it. Operating system. If we talk about the operating system of the mobile, then you will get to see Android 15 inside it. And talking about processor, it is going to get Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Battery backup. If we talk about battery backup of the mobile, then you will get to see strong battery backup in it. Because the company is going to provide a powerful battery of 7000 mAh inside it, which supports 120-watt fast charging. Price or launch date. Talking about the price of Nokia Play 2 Max 5G, you can get this smartphone around $750. And talking about the launch date of the mobile, it can be introduced in the middle of 2025.